Navigating the post-high school job market, expanding opportunities without a college degree. The landscape of post-secondary education and employment is undergoing significant shifts. With college tuition soaring and wage stagnation affecting many sectors, high school graduates are increasingly exploring alternatives to a traditional four-year college education. Current statistics from ECMC Group reveal that less than half of high school students plan to pursue a bachelor's degree. This trend is prompting a closer examination of the job market accessible directly after high school, highlighting the need for more comprehensive guidance and resources. Understanding the economic context. For decades, a college degree was seen as the surest route to financial stability and career advancement. However, the economic realities of today have altered this narrative. The rising cost of higher education and the accompanying student debt crisis have led many to question the return on investment of a four-year degree. Meanwhile, sectors that traditionally did not require a college degree have seen growth and increased compensation, making them viable career paths for high school graduates. Exploring high-paying jobs for high school graduates. While it's a common belief that college graduates earn more on average, several careers offer competitive salaries and growth opportunities to those without a degree. Transportation, storage, and distribution managers. These professionals play a crucial role in the logistics and supply chains, ensuring that goods are efficiently moved from manufacturing sites to distribution centers and retailers. The position, which often requires strong organizational and leadership skills, has a median annual salary of around $96,390, with an expected job growth of 8% from 2020 to 2030. Commercial pilots. For those fascinated by aviation, becoming a commercial pilot is a lucrative option. With a median salary of $93,300 and job growth projected at 11%. The role requires obtaining specific licenses from the Federal Aviation Administration, but does not necessarily require a college degree unless pursuing an airline pilot career. Elevator installers and repairers. This field offers robust job security and compensation, with a median annual salary of $88,540 and a growth outlook of 6%. The job requires mechanical skills and problem-solving abilities, typically acquired through apprenticeships rather than traditional college education. Detectives and criminal investigators. Starting as police officers and moving up the ranks, detectives can earn a median annual salary of $86,940. While some agencies require some college education, many positions are accessible with a high school diploma and the necessary training from a police academy. Petroleum pump system operators. These operators manage the equipment that moves oil and gas through pipelines and refineries. The position, which demands attention to detail and problem-solving skills, offers a median salary of $78,840 and job growth projected at 6%. Effective job search strategies for high school graduates. Finding a rewarding job post-high school requires a strategic approach. Utilize school resources, engage with guidance counselors who can provide access to apprenticeships, internships, and local job opportunities. High schools often have partnerships with local businesses and can offer direct pathways into the workforce. Research and preparation. Use resources like the Bureau of Labor Statistics Occupational Outlook Handbook to understand the qualifications required for various positions. Preparing a tailored resume and cover letter for each application is crucial. Training and certifications. Look into local training programs or certifications that can enhance employability. Many high-paying trades require specific certifications or apprenticeships as a pathway to entry. Networking. Leverage networks including family, friends, and community contacts. Many job openings are not advertised publicly and are filled through recommendations. Conclusion. As the educational landscape evolves, high school graduates have a plethora of avenues to consider that do not necessitate a four-year degree. With strategic planning and utilization of available resources, these paths can lead to lucrative and fulfilling careers. This shift not only challenges the traditional paradigm of higher education, but also opens up a broader conversation about the value and purpose of education in preparing individuals for the workforce. As more students opt for these non-traditional paths, it becomes imperative for educational institutions and policymakers to provide robust support systems to guide young individuals in making informed career choices.